times and I've succeeded few times. Now we are in a new game like
Battle Royale. Battle style.
we used to have same island but different type of skin. In first game we have a classic train, and second part we have a black shaded golden shaded black color train. Now we have a multi-color train with there is some some letters written in the back side of this thing. It was a multi-colored train. Full fast land on top of this bridge. Let me find few weapons in bridge. But coming to the city town where we used to land in previous game I used to land in the same island, but I didn't find any I didn't find any change. But there is a different we have they replaced the items, categories, whatever they have. Categories means like a skydiving, rope, traveling things. And they changed little things, not more things in new islands. Let me go and find what is there in this. Like behind the like a truck is there. I'll go behind the truck. Let me they go and go inside this truck. This place is closed with everything. Found a mission gun. Like if we can shoot continuously. Okay. Let me. This gun has a longer zoom capacity. Now go back to the ropeway fastly. After going to the ropeway, let me go to different place. Let me search for enemies here and there. Let me wait. Scope and check for the enemies. I don't find anyone. Let me come back to my ropeway and I will go to different place from here very fastly with the help of ropeway. Now I am with the help of this ropeway I am flying for longer distance. Now we are going to use it. Use. Now I am climbing on a ropeway. How it looks. Let me find if I can. Let me search for enemies. If I can find them, I can see them. Just now I retrieved this. Now no I don't want this. Let me find some armor, body armor, guns, weapons, everything. My gun was loaded with more bullets. I found few more body case, like a bulletproof case. Just bulletproof case and one medical to protect from sunrise attack. Now I'm in hunt of finding friend. I need a helmet to cover my head from enemies. Okay, this gun has a zoom. Let me change the gun. Oh, that doesn't require any other gun. It's a shotting suit. Both of the guns are very good for me. I'm going forward to find a more enemies. Like I got one more. I think I found one more medical kit, but they are not eligible for me. Can I? I successfully loaded the. Let me go inside this shelter. There was nothing inside the shelter. Let me go towards the towards upstairs, towards the hill. Let me find. Now it's time to find few enemies to kill. No one is visible to me. Let me check around me. We have to check, always have to check around us, otherwise enemies will come from away and kill us. Let me go inside. Acceptable this. Already had a gun. Same. Okay. My gun is updated with the new bullets. Let me go top step. Let me go inside. Silence. When you kill anyone, you cannot. Here is one more medical kit. Can I get this one or not? I'm not acceptable for medical kits. Okay, we have one more rope. From here I can travel for longer. Let me find some drones over top of my building. Let me check this. But I am away from this shrunken gun. Let me go to downstairs. I'm going to downstairs right now. Something was there. I'm selecting the skydiving. Like it's not skydiving, it's a skating board. You can skate in a surface landed. You cannot skate here. I'm using this. I'm going to different areas. I cannot find any enemies or surrounding them. I have to come back as soon as possible. Why? Because sinking zone, I'm going towards the sinking zone. We cancel in the middle. We can fall from the top of this rope. Unexpectedly we made that. I could not find any enemies over here. Okay, we are in the I could not find anyone here. Oh no. I may not find anyone over here. Let me go back to this rope and go back to let me wait for shrunken zone to come here. Let me wait any enemies come from the shrunken zone. This is the one of the easiest way. Oh, it was coming very faster. Shrunken zone is coming very faster. Let me find a shrunken. I could not find any enemies over here. No, after coming to this game, like when I started playing this game, I could not find even one person here. I'm using rope. Let me search for enemy. I want to travel to different place to find enemy. There still 11 guys are alive in this island. Let me go to end fast for you. Go fast. Now I reached this place. I think there was something over there. What is this? Okay, it's a toolkit. I'm using this toolkit. I successfully use this. I'm using this skating. There was a car over there. Let me go there and is it working? I don't know whether it is working or not. Let me go inside this. Let me replace this one. There are no weapons in this gun. I replace with my old gun. Something is there. Yeah, there was something here is there. This was not useful for me. For near to me, no enemies are there. Something is falling from the plane. I don't know what it was. Okay, this like a robot. It's showing light. Till now I didn't see the any enemies in this game. Let me go towards this car. Now I am driving this car. Because of the internet connection, bad internet connection. Every time we don't have good internet connection because of like a mobile. When we play, most of us everybody play games on mobile. When they play, don't have proper internet connection in their area, depend upon location. Okay, someone is. But in this game we have different places, different tools. Okay, we are in the wrong place, I think. Let me go back. Okay, yeah, go man, go back. Shrinking zone is coming very faster. Now I didn't even kill one guy, and I didn't see one. Unfortunately, uselessly come here. I want to run so fast, otherwise may kill. I don't know, I may die due to the shrinking zone. No man, go fast, go fast. Oh no, it was going so faster. No. Now let me go there. First of all, I have to heal my body. There are so many around me, surrounded by me. Let me. There was a drone. No, what happened to me? Shit. Unfortunately, she killed me because I don't have any chance over there. There are 3 guys. Drone is helping her a lot. That's why she killed me. Let me stay for some time. Let me check whether who are they. Let drones help them or not. Like I think so she will stay for longer time. I hope so. Make sure please subscribe to my channel, click like button and share this. Thanks for watching.